let's talk about the Air Jordan 5 University Blue. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Oh yeah, and welcome to Clones TV. Your boy got him. Your boy got him. Your boy got him. Ooh, these are ice cold. Ice cold. Man, I can't believe I got them, man. I can't believe I got them. As usual, early in the week, your boy put a raffle in, and I got them, man. I hit on them. Went up there, go pick them up, and when I seen them, I opened a box. I ain't gonna even lie to y'all, I don't own Jordan 5s. These are my first pair of Jordan 5s. So I'm not fond of them, you know, and I never seen how they look on feet. So when I got them and opened the box, I'm like, man. But when I got home and I put these hoes on feet, I was like, man, you know what? Your boy messed with those Jordan 5s, man. I messed with them, you know what I'm saying? So, and then they sold your boy a hat to match. No fucks given, you know what I'm saying? So, your boy dripped out. I'm feeling good. Your boy on that goose again. And I got my partner in crime with me, man. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, first of all, we got the new Buck Upper North Carolina blue. And these hoes ice cold. They clean too. And they true to size. Your boy have a wide foot. And I'm gonna have to take, I also have the Nike Air Max barely vote. And I'm gonna do a video on that, and I'm taking those back because they tight on my feet. But these right here, they fit good, man. Looking at them on feet, man, I like how they look on feet. So true to size, and they comfortable too. These hoes are comfortable. I don't know which ones I like out of these and Jordan 3. I don't know. But as you can see here, you have the silver 3M reflective tongue. With the black Jumpman logo right here. Yeah, so I do like the tongue on the Jordan 5s better than the tongue on the Jordan 3. It's more detail. The tongue is beautiful. Also, on the other side of the tongue, you have heart and soul behind the tongue. Heart and soul. I don't know what that stands for. I don't know what that means. But I guess it means heart and soul. I don't know, but yeah, man. And the inside, man, the inside of this shoe, the sock liner, it look nice, man. All blue, just like the outside of the shoe. It's just a comfortable shoe overall, man. And as you look at the bottom, you got that icy bottom, translucent bottom, icy bottom. And they got something going on in the back of the shoe right here. Team Jordan. Quality products inspired by the greatest basketball player ever. I think that's fly they put that on the back, man. That look cool. And then you got your lace lock right here. See that? Lace lock right there. And like I say, this your boy's first Jordan 5s, man. So the only thing that bothers me about the shoe is it's starting to crease, the toe box. It's starting to crease. Even when I opened the box, man, it had like a little crease right there, man. I don't know what the hell going on with that. But I think the Jordan 3s crease up too. But I like it, man. My wife like it. She say, it look good on you, babe. I said, hell yeah, it look good, man. So it's beautiful, man. Oh man, it's a beautiful shoe. Your boy messed with Jordan 5s. I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5. A 5 out of 5. All right. What say you? 5 out of 5. I don't know, big dog. I give them I give it a 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5. You gotta you can't wear them with anything. Like the Cool Gray 6 that just came out, you can wear those with just about anything compared to these. You gotta get the right fit for these. Don't get me wrong, I ain't saying they trash, they cold, you know what I'm saying? But and you said out of Jordan 3s and these, the Jordan 3 is way better than these, dog. I think you tripping, man. Again, these ain't trash, and I don't know what's all the hype for, for this shoe anyway. I guess because it's one solid color. I don't know, man, but yeah, they clean. I see you looking at your shoe. It's clean, man, but you got to get that fit. What you gonna, me personally, if I was you, I would have got the Jordan 6. You know what I'm saying? But they alright, man. They alright. They ain't all that to me. Real talk. All right, and this how the box look, y'all. It's the box right here. Yeah, the box ain't all dinged up. They showed your boy love with the box, man. I put my shoes in shoe containers, so I won't be. I'm gonna trash that box. But what say y'all? Is the shoe hot? Is it trash? Did y'all get them? Did y'all pass? Did your boy know? Down there in the comment section below. All right, we out. Peace. Peace, baby.